Once again.
Hello, welcome to day 11 of our house renovation. Today, we're going to fucking take this old baseboard right here that we cut off of that wall in the dining room. We're going to remove that wall over there. And we're going to clean this up, pull the nails out. When you pull the nails out of shit like this, don't drive them back to the front. Grab a pair of fucking channel locks and rip them out of the back. That way they don't leave holes in the front. And clean all that shit up with a razor knife. Go ahead on and run this baseboard down through here where the fucking baseboard heater was and start cleaning that shit up. Also today, we're gonna fix a little shit like this where there was some wiring in the wall that needed to be, fished down from the attic down to an outlet to jump over for a switch. Over here, we're gonna sand all this shit down so I can get another glaze of sheetrock mud on it. Today, I want to go in here and sand all these fucking little repairs down in here on the walls. So I can go ahead on and glaze over that shit again. And I'm gonna come in here in the bathroom and mud and tape all the sheetrock in here. Holy shit. So today it's just gonna be a bunch of taping and mudding, wall fixing, and baseboard. I might go ahead on if I get the mud up and put some of the trim back around that door. I don't know. But that's what I'm doing today. Taping and mudding all this shit. That way I can come back in here and sand it down on another day tomorrow and get my second glaze on it, second coat on it, and sand that down so all the walls in here will be done this week. And we'll be ready to go ahead and start putting some tile. And once that tile's in, we'll be putting this dual flush toilet in here. Check that shit out. It got one button for fucking taking a shit and one for taking a piss. Ain't that badass? Like the toilet and stuff. So, it's an in the closet toilet right now. And here these walls are pretty much ready. I just had to come in here and glaze some of this shit. Dave's in the living room sanding all that stuff down. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mud in there where I tried to fix that belly up there on the ceiling. So that's what we got going on right now. Fix the door with some wood filler, some bad shit. Exterior wood filler to fix holes in doors. Also, gonna have to do something. Probably gonna make a piece of my table saw and cut that shit out. I ain't fucking replacing the whole door frame. And fix that. Whether somebody kicked the door in. Ain't that something? Alright. Now it's time to come here and start mudding this shit. Start mudding the bathroom. Got my nice fucking stainless steel mud pan. I'll have to pull that fucking light down eventually. I gotta get a layer of mud on there. Set this tape on. Basically, you gotta go over the whole bathroom and do this shit. Just like that. Go down this side like this. Don't matter if you get it on the outlet, because look at that fucking vent top motherfucker right there. Ain't nobody gonna keep that. We definitely not gonna see that shit. I'm just pretty much kind of hold the tape up there, get a gauge about how long this shit's gonna be. I don't want to go all the way down here because I want one tape going all the way across. Right down to right there. Do that all the way around. Not putting too much sheetrock mud on there because I'm gonna have to I'm either gonna have to sponge the shit off with a sponge or sand this shit down. So I'm not gonna put it all up it. Just keep right on going, right on around that whole fucking thing. So that's where I'm at right now. Mudding this shit. Everywhere that there was a baseboard heater that left a fucking big thick ass paint line after 65 years of painting and shit. So you gotta take your fucking palm sander and blend that shit down and try mud over the whole fucking thing and put a piece of baseboard down there. That gotta be done in every fucking room. Every damn room. Every one of them's gotta be sanded down, mudded, sanded, primed, baseboards. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking just go ahead and steal baseboards out of some other rooms, consolidate them all down to where you just got one room that needs it, and then go get some baseboard that doesn't have to be the same. You gotta sand all that shit down. That's what he's doing right now with a palm sander. Sanding all that shit down and smoothing it out, and then I'll come behind him with some fucking sheetrock with some mud and mud all that shit up. I could fucking go ahead and just put a coat of fucking oil primer on it, then mud it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'll probably just come back to it and mud it, sand it down, and then put primer on all of it in the same time. That's where we're at right now. And then here, I've already fucking mudded this wall, that corner. And because of that gap against the tub right there, I'm not gonna put no big ass thick caulking line in that motherfucker. I think I'm just gonna go ahead on and run some quarter round around that bitch. Run a piece of trim around it. That big ugly motherfucker that crawled up in this bitch. Found this in my bathtub this morning. Big nasty. Damn. Big nasty bitch with hair legs. It's a water bug. It looks like a big ass roach. Motherfucker got in the tub and can't get out that bitch. See, look. I guess I go ahead and fucking catch that bitch and let that motherfucker go. Come here, you nasty motherfucker. I'll let that bitch go. So it is at the end of the day of day 11, and I'm getting ready to put a tape joint right there where that shit cracked underneath of the fucking thing. Dave's out there pulling the fucking ivy off the fucking air conditioning unit so that hopefully when the air conditioning guy gets here tomorrow, he might be able to get that unit going so get some air conditioning in here. Everything where all the baseboards are has all been sanded down and mudded to get rid of that line where it's all layers of paint against where it wasn't no paint. The bathroom, everything's been tape jointed and mudded. That shit down there, I shimmed the sheetrock out a little bit, but it's got down a ½ inch of sheetrock mud down there, so that's probably gonna take a day or two to dry. All the shit up here is mudded now. All around and all that shit. Down the corners, all the tape going shit. All right. So we got what's starting to look like a bathroom. Now, and here that baseboard hadn't been done. This one's been done. All that shit's been taped. All this has been sanded down. It's got a second coat, so just a light sand, and that will be done. Some reason this fucking door had like 4 hinges. So all that shit's been filled in with fucking some good wood filler. And we'll fucking sand all that down and paint it. And that'll be done. Starting to move into the kitchen now and fixing places. Some sheetrock mud places in the kitchen and stuff like that. All that's been sanded down and mudded down there where the baseboard is. This baseboard, I can still get this. So I'll probably get a piece to go there and I'll have that room done. This old seashell baseboard. I don't know if we can get that anymore or not. But the idea is to use that, and we came on the other side of the wall to go right there and right there and finish the living room off. Sooner or later, we're gonna have to get up there on their fucking roof and take that shit down and get a piece of sheetrock over that. But this is where we're at the end of day 11. Tomorrow, we'll come back in here and sand all this shit down again and remud it, put another coat on it. Deal with the air conditioning, dude. Maybe we'll get some air conditioning tomorrow. And I'll sand all this shit down and put another coat. Except for that. That's probably gonna take 2 days. And as soon as you get all that done, I'll put a primer coat of oil paint and some more regular paint on the wall in here and paint the ceiling, get all that done. Slap the tile down that we got in the garage. It's like the gray tile, it's like slate. And then we'll be able to set the toilet. Once that's done, we'll have one room complete. Then I gotta fucking caulk all that shit up all around that stall, shower stall. And here are the controls for the oil unit. It was kind of smoked up. I think they did a lot of smoking in the house. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV and leave a comment if you got a question in the comment section. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Click on the little bell so that you know when we upload another video. And if you got time, take a chance and browse out some of our other 300 videos we got on how to do stuff. Going to be uploading some videos now, pretty soon, that we're making when we're restoring some old knives that are 2,000 years old knives. Old knives. So y'all have a good day. Subscribe to Get Go TV. And stay tuned tomorrow for day 12 of our house renovation.